Young and passionate about agriculture, Nyasha Denere faces the challenge of limited space for traditional farming. Undeterred, she transforms her living room into a mini farm, utilizing every available space to create an urban oasis filled with plants, vegetables, and vibrant flowers. This young lady tends to a living room garden with care and dedication, believing that patience and devotion will lead to its flourishing. Inspired by her success, she expands her ambitions to a small backyard, utilizing raised beds and various urban farming techniques to grow a diverse range of produce. My name is Mangweka, and this is Reason for Hope podcast, where we talk anything and everything urban resilience in the face of climate change. Today, we highlight the story of Nyasha Denere, who is an urban farmer practicing her agriculture in the high-density suburb of Sakubva in Mutare. I met Nyasha on the sidelines of a graduation in the Awe program sponsored by the American Embassy in Zimbabwe.
I'm a farmer. I'm an urban farmer. I grow vegetables from sprouts, microgreens, baby greens, up to mature vegetables and also fresh herbs. I grow my vegetables indoors and also in a greenhouse.
I asked Nyasha to tell me where exactly she does her agriculture.
I use my room, my dining room, and also a small greenhouse bucket.
I was interested to find out how the program she was graduating in was beneficial to her farming.
So when I joined our program, I met a lot of new women or ladies or girls from Manicaland, and I clicked with them, and they were so helpful in my life, in my business. We networked.
Nyasha aims to be the largest African supplier of organic foods worldwide. Their goal is to alleviate poverty, hunger, and premature death in Africa by ensuring equitable and sustainable provision of organic products and services across and within generations. However, she faces the challenge of limited space for her agriculture.
So where I'm doing my projects is a little bit confined. So I'm contemplating starting my farming in the village in Rusape. Why? Because Rusape is a central point. So currently I'm developing our village land into a farm.
This brings us to the end of this week's Reason for Hope podcast, where we talk anything and everything urban resilience in the face of climate change. Today, we highlighted the story of Nyasha Denere, who is an urban farmer practicing her agriculture in a dining room in Sakubva. I hope you had a pleasant listening. For these and other stories, visit our Facebook page, Youth Information Development and Resource Center Trust. Call or WhatsApp +263 719 850 083. Stay connected. Until next time, my name is Mangweka. Shisarai.